My name is Periandros Garakis. I am co-owner of Kremel S.A. We are located in industrial area of Heraklion. We are activated in cheese analogs and vegan cheeses. In the beginning, we started by producing blocks of 3 kilos. This was not the ideal size for the final consumer. Then we started to think about how we could downsize it and make it more familiar to the final consumer, nicer in appearance. This is how we began our cooperation with Weber. The first was the people, from the local representative, very warm people, and how they helped us to choose the right machine. And I was excited because I never thought that we could have something like this. And also the interesting part of this story, it was the picker. No hands inside during downsizing. No cross-contamination, nothing. Hygiene, everything. So the decision was very easy.
My name is Thomas Sivas. I'm Managing Director of the company, Sivas S.A. Our intention and goal was to transfer our 30 years experience in this business to our customer and help him to grow his business and deliver to him a complete and high-tech downsizing line. With this line, he will have better presentation of his products and better quality packed in his products, so he will succeed to penetrate better his markets.
My name is Oliver Stützel, and I'm responsible to find for the customer the right solution and what he really needs. We found out that we have the right knife to slice vegan cheese, and this has a special coating on the knife to be able to slice this product. And after that, when we have sliced it, then we have a picker solution that we can keep the product and take it into the package, because the customer wants it every time very straight and accurate. And also when we think about the future of veganism is sustainability in packaging. So the package machine must be able to run foils or paper to have also a green package at the end.
We love what we are doing. We are trying to improve everything. We grow up continuously. I think that there is a huge trend around the world on this field, the field of vegan. We must be well prepared to be ready for the next year coming. In our next order, yes, I will choose Weber again, because I strongly believe in long-term relationship and I believe in these people.